The Integrity Commission has ordered the Financial Investigations Division, FID, to probe the substantial deposits and withdrawals associated with Prime Minister Andrew Holness' three companies, Positive Media, Positive Jamaica Foundation, and Green Emerald. This step aims to determine whether there is any illicit enrichment by Mr. Holness. But what exactly is the FID? The Financial Investigations Division is a unit within the Ministry of Finance tasked with investigating financial crimes, including money laundering and fraud. Given its placement within a government ministry, questions naturally arise about its impartiality. Critics might argue that because the FID operates under the Ministry of Finance, which is part of the broader government apparatus, there could be concerns about its ability to conduct a truly independent investigation. With the close links between government ministries and the ruling Jamaica Labour Party, there is skepticism about whether the FID can remain unbiased when investigating high-profile figures like the Prime Minister. The integrity of the investigation hinges on the FID's commitment to transparency and adherence to legal standards. While the FID's connections to the government might raise concerns, its role in upholding financial integrity is crucial. To maintain public trust, it will be vital for the FID to demonstrate that its investigation is thorough, impartial, and free from political influence.